To fulfill his son's BMW dream, a tobacco business owner from Yunnan decided to pass down the BMW 7 Series he had driven for over 20 years. The interior had a musty smell, the exterior was worn and covered with dents and scratches. The engine leaked both oil and coolant, and the suspension rattled over every bump. Once a luxury sedan worth well over $1 million, it is now worth less than $20,000. So we decided to give it a complete restoration. How many more $20,000 do you think it will take to bring it back to its former glory? First, let's tear it down completely. As expected of someone in the tobacco business, they have a fully equipped toolkit. Fixing the shock absorber instead of replacing the entire assembly saves a significant amount of money. The M62 engine is covered in thick oil sludge, and the belts are worn with plenty of age-related issues. Even so, it doesn't need a complete teardown, just precise repairs. What do you think is BMW really built to last? German luxury deserves German paint, so we sprayed Glasurit High Solid Clear Coat for a deep glossy finish and crystal clear reflections. Professional four-wheel alignment restores the chassis geometry to factory specifications, and any minor paint imperfections are corrected with a thorough polishing. When cleaning the sunroof and refurbishing an older car, attention to detail is essential. We remove the oil film from the glass so rainwater sheets off, more easily improving visibility and making wet weather driving much safer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.